So we are starting a new chapter which is triangles, and I will first tell the basics about the triangle. As the triangles, triangles, it means the three angles, and it also means the three sides. So tri means three, and this triangle has three sides, A, B, and C. Uh, we can say it the line segments. A triangle has three line segments, which is AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC, and CA. So now, and it has three angles. Three angles. This L sign is denoted. L sign denotes angles. So three angles are angle A, angle B, or angle C, and angle C. And these the three triangles can be also said the interior angles, as these are the interior angles. The one which is outside the triangle extending like this. This is called exterior angle. This is called exterior angle, but we will talk about this exterior angle later. We will first talk about our triangle, and it also has three vertices. Three vertices means three corners, which is A, B, and C. A triangle is mainly composed of its six elements. A triangle is mainly composed of its six elements. Of the six, three are angles and three are sides. This is the composition of the whole triangle. So now there are many types of triangle, and mainly there are six types of triangle, and this is the information we are rubbing it for making you understand the all the six types of triangles. Triangles on the basis of angles. So triangles on the basis of angles are also of three types, which we will talk about. Our first, which is an acute triangle. Mainly we can say that an equilateral triangle is always or sometimes an acute angle triangle. A, B, and C. So an acute angle triangle is the triangle in which angle A or angle B or angle C is smaller than 90 degree. These all the angles are mainly smaller than 90 degree. This type of triangle is known as this type of triangle is known as and this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. All the angles are lesser than 90 degree. Now we will talk about our second type of triangle on the basis of angles, which is an obtuse angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. We will talk about the obtuse angle triangle later. Right angle triangle is a type of triangle in which one angle of a triangle is equal to 90 degree. As we can see that angle B is equal to 90 degree, and 90 degree is mostly denoted by this sign in a triangle, as I have made there. So these type of triangle are called right angle triangle, in which one angle of a triangle is equal to 90 degree. We will write here right angled triangle. Now our Third type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle, which is in which first we will mark this A, B and C. So in obtuse angle triangle, there is a condition in which one angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree. As we can see here, angle B is greater than 90 degree. Angle B is greater than 90 degree, and such type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle, in which one angle is greater than 90 degree. So we have covered all the triangles on the basis of angles. So we are telling all of you that some terms related to the triangles chapter. The terms are that a triangle has three altitudes, three medians, and two more things, which is an orthocenter and a centroid. So first we will talk about the altitudes and orthocenter. So altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular from a vertex. This triangle side is A, B and C. As these three vertices A, B and C, a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex B, and a perpendicular is a line which forms 90 degree, and a perpendicular is denoted by this symbol. So this is the perpendicular of B, which is forming a 90 degree here. All the perpendiculars in a triangle form 90 degree. So from the vertex of B, vertex means the side, and from the vertex of B, then the line is formed and the angle is formed 90 degree. A is also a vertex in which the line is formed so that the angle is 90 degree, and from the vertex C, an angle vertex C, an angle line is formed which forms 90 degree. So now uh, altitudes. We were talking about altitudes. So altitude of a triangle is perpendicular. Altitude is perpendicular from the vertices. As you can see, the normal explanation of this is that this perpendicular, you can see this dotted line which is like this, and this BC base which is like this. This is the perpendicular, and it forms 90 degree. So these lines are called altitudes. Three perpendiculars in the triangle formed are called three altitudes. So there are three altitudes, and the point of occurrence of these three altitudes, which is like this in here, this point of incidence is called, denoted by O, which is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. The point which is the point of occurrence of all the three altitudes, this is called orthocenter. Orthocenter, point of occurrence, where all these you can say that all these altitudes meet, is called the point of occurrence. So now we will talk about the triangles median and centroid. We can say that if we draw a line like this, and this is not forming a 90 degree, then this line is called a median, as this line is dividing AC into two parts, and this line is also drawn from a vertex. So we were talking about the medians, and medians are those lines we can mathematically, uh, in mathematical form, median are those lines in which it is a straight line. It is a straight line drawn from vertex. Straight line, one point, and is drawn from vertex. And this straight line divides the opposite side into two parts. The We can name these points E, D, and we can this F. We have divided it F, D, and E. So we can say that BE is dividing AC into two halves. Into two halves, and we can say that AE is equal to AC, as these both lines are half of each other. And the point of occurrence of these medians, there are three medians in a triangle. Three medians. And the point of occurrence of the medians, as there was a point of occurrence of the altitudes, the point of occurrence of a median is denoted by C, and it is called centroid. Centroid is the point of occurrence of the three medians of the triangle. So, and there is one orthocenter and one centroid. Uh, One orthocenter and one centroid. So we have studied some terms related to the triangle, which is orthocenter, three altitudes, and three medians. And a most important point, that the median, in the median case, BC, as this is C, BC is equals to CE into 2. We can state this from this is a rule of the medians, that if a median is intersecting a point which is centroid, always intersects a point, then the line drawn from the vertex and intersect to the intersecting point, which is B to C. C is this. So this whole line, this line, BC will be equal to CE. CE, this line, C to E. This line, C to E. There is a rule. Each median divides itself into a 2:1 case. So we can state that BC is equal to CE into 2, and we can do this by all the three medians, as we will, this C will be not taken, as this C is also taken, this C is already taken, so we will take it G, or we will, for simplifying, give G to this. So now we can state that CG is equals to FG into 2. We can write as 2FG also. There is a rule in the medians, but there is no rule in the altitudes. But the altitudes will only considered as altitudes, as they will form a 90-degree angle. Now we can write that with the AG also. AG is equals to GD into 2. So we have covered the terms related to a triangle, and now in the next video we will talk about all the ortho, circumcenter, in center, in circle, and we will do some examples also. Thanks for watching my video, and like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting these exciting videos of the whole book of Understanding Mathematics ICSC. And we have our trigonometrical ratios chapter also. Please check it out. Go check it out, and in the channel it is also an exciting topic.